What do you think the topic is for today, Shadow? Huh? Welcome, friend, for the artist. We appreciate you coming on board. Today, we hope we have something to help you go along on your journey.
Dean's disclaimer: 1. This is not a finished product by no stretch of the imagination. 2. This is an example not meant for exact duplication. 3. Designed for your inspiration. 4. The ink was a little watered down, the next one will be much better. 5. This was all done on a magnetic board.
Now the demo.
Dean starts off with circle. It's not perfect, but their circle is Dean's symbol for prey. Dean noticed the ink wasn't thickened enough, so he thickens it by scrubbing the brush on the sumi ink stick. He judges it's enough for this. Warm up. Note he goes over the circle while manipulating the already applied ink. Now the hard part. Each stroke is like a syllable to Dean's prayer, Arthur. This is the 3 syllables he starts with. This technique is a warm-up. Splitting words into syllables and brush strokes requires concentration. It also helps prevent apprehension because you're not solely focused on the strokes but paying attention to each syllable. Anyways, Dean applies this technique throughout the warm-up. Remember, each stroke is still a syllable of Dean's prayer. Throughout the entire process of this black ink practice painting. Today, we just wanted to give you a glimpse of a technique. In black ink painting, note the bamboo stalks are done in straight strokes. In black ink painting, lines can be implied. We are not going to bore you with the rest of this painting. It's a warm-up only, a warm-up. Here are a couple of takeaways we need to share. The brush cannot be too wet. Moist only. The sumi ink has to be on the thicker side when applying it to a magnetic dry erase board. The techniques change when using paper. Each brand of paper will cause you to alter your technique.
Here's a reminder of the basic materials you will need in case you missed the previous videos. Chinese brushes. You can purchase these at Amazon. If you're starting a kit, might be better to start with. We will have a link to a good starter brush set.
Sumi ink bottle and sumi ink stick.
This is rather well used, but a sumi ink stone and a sumi ink stick are really important items to acquire. You can adapt just using an ink bottle, but you may miss out on some subtle techniques.
To watch more, subscribe.
We've gone a long distance. Now we got a long distance to go yet. But it's the journey that counts.